All right, ready? Here we go.
Today in the shop, we got this Tesla Plaid. We're gonna go ahead and start up on the prep stage. Let's get it started.
All right, YouTube, welcome back to another feature video. It's been a while since we did this. I'm supposed to look over there. All right, are you looking at me or you good? Chris? Nah. I don't know, he's just not moving, he's just looking weird. All right, YouTube, welcome back to another feature video. It's been a while since we did one of these, so we thought this would be a great car to do it on. Brand new 21 Model S Plaid. It's the first one in Illinois. We're doing full car PPF, Modesta, ceramic tints, the works.
I'm very excited to be working on this Tesla Model S Plaid. Currently, there are no kits available for this vehicle, so we're gonna have to do everything custom. It's gonna be very challenging, but very exciting. Can't wait to start. Really don't. The only thing that I've noticed that is different, the front bumpers, there's a refresh. There's body lines that are different in the front bumper. The front fenders are 100% wider, so are the rear. And then the rear quarter and the rocker used to be one piece, but I believe now they made it into two different pieces, which is great for us because we don't have to use a giant piece of film, but it's just a little bit more hand cutting, more trimming, more modifying. Aside from that, it seems like the same chassis. Like the A-pillars are the same, the hood looks the same, the trunk looks the same. The rear bumper, they might have modified slightly. But overall, it still looks like a Model S, but just like a beefy, more aggressive Model S. And that I really like. All right, so update midday. It's 3:30-ish. Full hood, both fenders, all four doors are on. We took apart a bunch of stuff, like the inside of the door panels, the mirrors are off, side cameras are coming off. Everything that we needed to take off is off. So far, we've made great progress. We still got 2 hours left in the day. Hopefully, we can knock out both quarters, put back the door panels, slap on the mirrors, and then we should be like 65% done with the car. It's turning out to be a great day. We had a really busy day. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 PPF jobs going around right now. We're gonna try and catch up on these other cars, so we're gonna stop working on that for today, and we'll just get started tomorrow. But for today, we did a great job. So day 2, Jose and the crew stayed late last night. You know, they didn't have to do that, but they did because they're badasses. Thanks to them, now we're ahead of schedule. We were on a little time crunch, but now we're ahead of schedule. So this morning, I'm gonna get to work on this new windshield product. It's the new PPF for the windshield. Super cool film. Let's get started. Okay, so there's this new product in the windshield game. It is called DynoFlex Windshield Film. That's how excited you are?
Yeah.
I mean, it's cool film. So we finally got our hands on some of this stack film. This is PPF for your windshield. So there's There's lots of films out in the market. I'm not gonna say any, but there's a lot. They're hard to shrink, they're hard to cut, they're hard to mold. They're a pain. They last like one windshield wipe and then they're super scratched. So me and Oscar are gonna install this on this Tesla Plaid. What better car to do it on than this one, you know? This car's gonna be going like 200 miles an hour in a 35. It needs windshield protectant, you know? There is 3 layers to this. So there's a bottom layer, which is, it's covering up the glue side, so the adhesive side. So there's this side, there's a glue side, and then there's a clear cap sheet. And that's to allow us to shrink it on the glass and put it down without scratching the film. And then we'll pull that off. We should have a perfectly clear window. Let's clean this windshield. Let's take off these windshield wipers. We'll measure out the windshield, take it off, put it on, and let's see how it goes.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
I'm perfect right there.
Like that?
Yeah, I'm good there.
Bet. We'll cut this off right here.
Yeah.
What'd you think, Oscar?
Fantastic.
Fantastic?
Fantastic hoe.
Yeah, that's what I think. Yeah, overall, this process was super cool. Super easy to put on. Like, I was surprised at how easy it was to put on. Laid down just like PPF. The clarity is amazing.
Looks like we just cleaned the window.
Yeah, it just looks like we wiped it off. There's a little bit of moisture, but once that dries out,
Should be good.
this thing's gonna look fantastic. The hardest part was definitely cutting it out. So you gotta be extra careful because you are cutting on glass and it's hard to see through the film and the glass.
Because it's clear.
Yeah, because of it's clear. But overall, this thing looks great. Super easy to install. I mean, I don't have one complaint about this. I'm gonna be putting this on my Jeep. We're gonna put this on Jason's car. We're gonna probably do
Jeep.
On your Jeep. We're probably gonna do the roof on this because the roof is also glass.
Yeah.
I mean, we do the windshield in this. We do the roof in this. Maybe the back one too. I don't know. Why not? You know?
Probably you just coat it. Water just flies off.
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, we're gonna do a lot of product testing on this. But overall, this thing's freaking fantastic. I love this product. Yeah, 10 out of 10. This is a great product. Yeah, so this is gonna be a custom bumper. It's a brand new car, you know. Nobody has kits for these yet. Are you going all the way to the corner of the bumper?
Yes, sir.
Holy mo.
3 inches.
I'm at 124. Oh yeah, all right, I'm gonna do 120.
120?
Yes, sir.
Man, that's
What
a
is
long
that?
bumper.
A 30 inch? So, Expel, so we got this car, what, 3 days ago, 4 days ago? And then we didn't have any kits in the beginning. And then we checked back today and they updated their software or they updated their patterns and now there are kits for this car. What does that mean? Well, for the next one we have kits. We don't have to do bulk anything, which is easy and that makes our life so much easier. It just makes the install go by that much quicker. But, I mean, our custom kit is equally as fire, you know, so I'm not worried about it.
So update on the car, a little later in the day, we've got both rockers on, we've got this trunk piece on, everything looks really good. All we've got left is this rear bumper, a pillar, and then this small chunk piece on the back. So it's looking promising that we'll be getting it done today.
The car is back from PPF. It's time to do the mini and get the paint ready for coating.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
My name's Paul. I'm the proud owner of this brand new Tesla S Plaid. I've been looking to get an electronic car for quite some time and just kind of waiting for something, waiting for Tesla to kind of upgrade some of their inside of their cars. And this thing kind of just spoke to me that this was the one to get. And then getting this car and spending the money on this car, I wanted to make sure I protected it. Looked around, tried to find out who does a fantastic job, who's a well-known source for stuff like this, and Chicago Auto Pros was my #1 choice. They were able to get me in. They did a great job. It looks fantastic, and I'm really looking forward to having the car back. This is my first sports car, even though it's a 4-door sedan. We all know what it's capable of, so I'm really excited to have it and just kind of enjoy it. Right now, I don't know if there's going to be any upgrades in it right now. I know winter's coming in Chicago, so I'm definitely going to have to prepare for that with some different tires and wheels. But beyond that, this is my daily driver. So this will be carting me and my kids around all over the place. Chicago Auto Pros did a fantastic job. Really easy to work with. You can come out to their place, take a look at it. I mean, they do a fantastic job. You can see all the cars in here. I'm just really happy that they were able to take care of it and get it done for me.
Can I take one of these guys?
Yeah, they can get in. Whoever wants to get in can get in.
Let's go.
You don't get that offer more than once. So.
Prepare to launch. All right, ready? Here we go.
That's insane. No, that's the best party trick ever, man.
So pretty good, right?
Can you ever get? Can you ever get tired of that?
Nope. Nope. Because you're going like this, and all of a sudden you hit it.